Hello there, we are team 200. Okay, let's start. 40-20%, that's how much property validation varies in India today. For a 2 crore loan, that's 84 lakhs rupees of uncertainty before a single EMI is paid. Let me take you into a real scenario. A lender approves a 2 crore loan against in the tier 1. The validation looks solid, the paperwork is clean, the credit company signed off. But the real situation is 18 months later, the account turns delinquent. The asset hits the market and sold for 1.3 crore and loss of 70 lakhs. 70 lakhs. Not because the property was bad, because nobody asked the second question. The lender did not lose money on interest. Let's think. They lose money on exit. That's not the underwriting. That's gambling with collateral. Let me show you something. What if understanding an uncertainty instead of a guesswork? What if a lender knew two things before approving a loan? What the asset is worthy today and exactly how fast it sell if it's wrong today. See, the three screens on one unified experience. 20-40% risk reduce in the validation, 80-90% liquidity prediction accuracy, engineering outcomes, not in a marketing claims. A live market pulse, Mumbai residential at 42,000 square feet and real-time awareness feeding of our engine continuously. See, legacy barriers on the left, brokerage variance, lagging circle rates, liquidity blind spot. Our solution on the right, data leading validation liquidity indexing and exiting the model. This is our three-stage plan. Input intelligence, engine process and actionable outputs. These are the six core capabilities: valuation, liquidities, risk, exit and anomaly detection and integration ready. Let me go into an input dashboard deeply. This is the underwriting inference only. Mumbai 2 BHK flat, 1250 square foot. It is in a multi-residential family apartment. First decision, micro market tier. We select the prime and next we select the occupied residentials and rental on toggle button. Is this a property is rented or not? You have a base case, computing and reservations. And there was a special graphs and the estimated market value. And we have a prior marketing tier, prime, emerging, stable and declining. Declining where the same building was rejected many more times. And next, undergraduate generating underwriting report. Let's see how it is a report was generated. Once a clear look for everything. As you can see, a nearby reference point, which is a more core point for the project, it can show the relevant responses for the some estimated values. Let's move to an validation report. First, look at our screens. Okay, let me explain something. Based on the input, we're gonna generate a liquidity report on the market range of a market expected and the actual one. And there was a confidence score which we are viewing in a explainable which is a current emerging Why the confidence scores highlights high? Because it has a high capable input ratios and a high issues, high non-issual based context. And an institution 72% risk, it is on a rental listing on the top high. We can get an extended machine learning readout where the which is the one output required in the problem statement. Here we can have a copy the JSON, synchronized and the required inputs and its validations. And there was a market context snapshot, assets, confidence, and the market averages. This is how we build a collateral AI. Thank you.